What were you doing before you real estate investor? What is your career?
So before real estate investing, I'm an accountant. I was working corporate.
When you became a real estate investor that you saw really the potential, what was your doubts going through the process?
Well, the doubt was really, can we handle the tenants? That people are always unpredictable, and you hear horror stories of tenants crashing your property, or the three headaches of tenants, toilets, and termites. But we said, you know what? Well, we're going to live here, so of course we're not going to let that happen. But you always have that fear of, okay, can we afford such a bigger property? Because that's a triplex in New Jersey that we first bought versus, let's say, just a small 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. So it's much bigger, but then we said, at least we're going to get rental income. And that really propelled me to make better decisions now as I'm older. And that really propelled me to have more options now, just because we made those tough decisions earlier on, even though we didn't know exactly. No one gave us a playbook. Okay, this is exactly what you do.
How much have you looked at the numbers before you actually, this is the one?
We looked at probably 50 properties, and my realtor started scratching her head wondering if we're ever gonna buy. But this property originally, I think, was listed for $380 before the market turned. And I said, I'm not gonna buy that for $380. No. The income doesn't support it. And so maybe 6-7 months later, when the market really took a turn, we were able to buy that property for $250. So my realtor didn't even do anything. All I did is, this is the property I wanna buy.
So Angel, what moment did you realize that real estate was actually really going to work?
When we started living for free. Even with that first purchase, we were living for free because the tenants were paying the mortgage. We had the tenants upstairs, we had the tenants downstairs, and even one bedroom, we rented it out to a friend. So we said, now we can travel. Now we can do something else instead of just paying the mortgage with our own W-2 income. So that's when we realized this is going to work, and we wanted to buy 9 more properties in that street if we could.
So if you was back today with the experience, what would you do differently?
I would say we would have bought more and really figured it out. Maybe partnered with some people, because real estate usually grows over time in value. So the more we would have purchased back then, it would be a different story now.
When you left New Jersey, that you moved to Texas, what was the transition and why did you move to Texas?
So we moved to Texas because it's become more expensive, and we wanted to move somewhere where first option was really no state income tax. So that's either Texas or Florida for us, depending on that list. And we chose Texas because my sister lives in Houston. We had some family here already.
Why did you become an investor with our network?
So because I was new to the state, I really wanted to plug in with a group that invests here